Hi, it's Mike.
There is a useful feature in Microsoft Office where you can scroll through two documents at the same time, so synchronous scrolling. Now to do this you need to minimize everything on your desktop apart from the two documents you want to scroll through, and then go down to your taskbar, right click, and then go to show windows side by side. So it puts the windows side by side like this. Just open them out, and in one of the documents it should give you the view side by side and synchronous scrolling options. Now if you start scrolling, both documents will scroll at the same time, so you can compare the data quite easily.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.